Peace be upon you, the 5th grade students, أطفال الرمث النموذجية school. Today, inshallah, we talk about exercise 2, page 41, look and say. Now, look at the board. There is a fridge. Fridge. There is a fridge. Beside the fridge, there is a cupboard. There is a cupboard. Now, look at the fridge. What can you see in the fridge? Yogurt, butter, meat, and eggs. Again, yogurt, butter, meat, and eggs. Let's move to the cupboard. What can you see in the cupboard? Flour, salt, pepper, nuts, and onions. Now, you have to make affirmative sentence to talk about what can you see in the fridge and what can you see in the cupboard. You have to know which word singular and which word plural. With singular, you have to use there is, and with the plural, you have to use there are. 1. Yogurt. Yogurt, singular or plural? Singular. So you have to write here, there is some yogurt. Where? In the fridge. D silent. 2. Butter. Butter. There is some butter in the fridge. Meat. Singular. There is some meat in the fridge. The last one in the fridge is plural. So you have to write here, there are some eggs. Plural in the fridge. Okay? The sentence talk about the items in the fridge. Now, look at the cupboard. Look at the cupboard. What can you see in the cupboard? Pepper. There is some pepper in the cupboard. Flour. There is some flour in the cupboard. Nuts. Nuts. Plural. So, there are some nuts in the cupboard. Pepper. Pepper. حكينا pepper. احنا حكينا عن البيبر and salt pepper. Now, I'm sorry. So, there is some pepper in the cupboard. Here, salt. There is some salt in the cupboard. There is some salt in the cupboard. The last one here, onion. onions. Onions. So there are some onions in the cupboard. Thank you. Peace be upon you, the 5th grade students. We will continue exercise 3, ask and answer, page 41 here. Now look at the board, ask and answer. Look at these words: flour, nuts, herbs, spices, onions, pepper, yogurt, eggs, bananas, butter, and salt. Look at the table here. Yogurt, spices, bananas, herbs, butter, onions, salt, and flour. Now, look at the first word here. Flour. Is the flour singular or plural? Singular. So the answer here, the question here is there any flour? Question mark. We put any here because it's a question. تتذكروا استخدامات any with a question and with negative. Is there any flour? But is because flour is singular. Now, the answer here. The answer is here. Look at the table. Flour, flour, flour. Yes, it's a flour. So the answer here is yes, there is. 2. Nuts. Nuts. Singular or plural? Plural. Is ولا are? Are there any nuts? Question mark. Look at the table. Nuts, 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 nuts. No. So the answer here, no, there aren't. No, there aren't. There aren't any nuts on the table. تمام؟ تنتبهوا للشغلة اللي very very important. نسأل بإز منجاوب بإز. نسأل بآر منجاوب بآر. بغض النظر no أو yes. Yeah, continue. Herbs. Herbs. Plural is ولا are? Are there any herbs? Question mark. Look at the table. Herbs, 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 herbs. So the answer here is yes, there are. Yes, there are. Spices, spices, plural. Are there any spices? Question mark. Look at the table. It's spices. The answer here is yes, there are. Onions, plural. Are there any onions? Question mark. Look at the table. Yes, there are onions. Yes, there are. شوفوا من وين بنجيب الار والإز. Pepper, pepper, singular, singular. So, is there any pepper? Question mark. Is there any pepper? Look at the table. Pepper, pepper, pepper. No. So the answer here is no, there isn't. No, there isn't. Yogurt. Look at the table. Yogurt, yogurt. Yes. Yogurt, singular. The question here is there any yogurt? Question mark. Yes, yogurt. Yes, there is. Look at the table. Eggs. No, eggs plural. The question here is, are there any eggs? Question mark. So حكينا no, there aren't. Bananas are. Look at the table. Bananas. So the question here is, are there any bananas? Yes, there are. Butter singular. Is there any butter? Question mark. Yes, there is. من هون جبناها الإز. Yes, there is. The last one, salt, singular, salt. Is there any salt? Question mark. Yes, there is. Thank you, the 5th grade students. See you later and goodbye.